Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to be installing these cool rubber mats from 1A Auto. They are a direct fit for Jeep Wrangler. They're really nice looking. I got the tire tread on them. I think they're really rugged. They have the safety clips on them, so that way they don't slide. It's easy to install. Bring it right up, line up the two snap pins, and you just push down with 2 fingers. Done. You've got to remove the existing carpet because you need to use those clips. And the new one has the nice little rubber additive. It's a one piece, so it has over the hump, which is cool because the cup holes are right there and spills happen. Just line up the clip, snap it down, line up the clip on this side, lock it down, driver's mat. Make sure you get up behind those pedals, hover over the 2 clips, push it down. Don't forget, if you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.